Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Zulema 2.0. I'm back again with another video. I am heading to Walmart. On Instagram last week, I posted a poll asking people if they wanted me to go check out vegan options at Walmart. So majority of the people, I think it was like 2 people that might have said no. All the rest were like yes. So I know it's Walmart and I know a lot of people don't support Walmart, but I support veganism, and the more people buy vegan food, the more demand, the cheaper it's gonna get. So why not, right? And I know a lot of people, like, all they have is like a Walmart near them. That's where they go grocery shopping. So I get it. It's convenient. Yeah, I'm gonna head to Walmart and I'm gonna go ahead and see what I find. So we'll see how that goes. But anyway, I'll be speaking into my headphones, so it's not like so weird, and you might be able to pick up some noise, but I feel like it'll be better with headphones. So yeah, stay tuned. So I just wanted to add really quickly, now that I'm driving and I'm kind of like sorting everything out in my head, I'm only going to look for like vegan swaps, because we already know that we should all be eating vegetables, beans, grains, legumes. We already know that that's vegan, but sometimes people want to add like a meat replacement or some sort of swap for their regular meals. Like they want to add something meaty or something along those lines. So that's what I'm going to be looking for, and then other things I might stumble upon. So just want to let you guys know.
Didn't I treat you right now? Didn't I do the best I could?
Okay, so I made it here to Walmart. I'm in, and I guess we should just get started. To start, I see these pasta zero spaghetti. They're made out of chickpea flour and cornstarch. That's interesting. All these different types of tofus. I just want to say that for my tofu scrambles, I use extra firm and firm. Some guac if you're lazy. And that's really cool because egg rolls are actually made with like an egg wrap, and these are egg free. So if you ever wanted to make egg rolls or wontons or like dumplings or something, this is what you can use. I love these for like a quick bite to eat. These are really, really good. I want to make like a wrap or like these little gyros. Bam. I've actually never tried these before. I'm curious to see what they taste like, but totally plant-based, and they're soy free. And these are quite interesting too. They're kale and quinoa bites without soy also. Yeah, you can get fancy with all this kind of stuff. This is actually pretty awesome because they have 3 different brands of vegan cheese. My favorite is Follow Your Heart and Chow Cheese. Follow Your Heart Gouda cheese, if you ever find it, you have to try it. And then if you're looking for a vegan mayonnaise swap, this is holy grail. This is it. And my favorite section here, the field roast sausages. I love these sausages, specifically these, like in the morning with like pancakes or French toast, whatever it is. If you're like a savory person, oh my god, you really like understand and know what's exactly inside of these sausages, so there's no surprises here. And the texture is really good, the taste is really, really good. Oh, and they also have the burgers. The burgers are so good as well. You can go ahead and try tofurkey. I like tofurkey like cold cut slices. I don't know what the proper term to use, but they're really, really good. I've actually never had any of these, but if you're looking for some options, there are vegan options. So here we go. All right, so we're gonna move on to like the ice cream and freezer section because it's one of my favorites, and I want to show you guys what they have here. Okay, so this location, I can tell that they don't have much, but they do have really good options. And I just want to start off by saying Ben & Jerry's has a bunch of non-dairy options. This is just, I guess, 2 flavors here. three flavors here, cookie dough. But there are a bunch of different flavors for Ben and Jerry's and also Haagen-Dazs, but I don't see Haagen-Dazs non-dairy here. This right here will change your life. I'm not even kidding. Like, if you get your hands on these, try it. The So Delicious ones, which are also really, really good. These are stuffed with caramel. These are coconut and almond, and this one's also the same thing. But those are really, really good as well. So, all the way at the bottom, I found this So Delicious one and this one as well. I believe I've tried this one, and it's really, really good. I've never tried the butter pecan one, but if you do, let me know in the comments below. That would be awesome. I want to hear what you guys have to say. And hold on a second. What is this? It's a mousse. It's a non-dairy mousse. I'm like, why is it so light? But this is awesome. I've actually never seen this before. So, wow. All right. So Amy's has a no cheese pizza, no dairy. Just want to double check that it's vegan. Yes, it is. I also found some Daya pizza, which is, it's pretty good. I usually add some garlic powder and stuff onto it, but this is really good as well. I'm surprised that they even have this at Walmart. They also have this one here for my gluten-free people, and this is like a personal size, or you can share it with two people. Just split it in half, and you have 2 slices each. Also have for cheese lovers, just all cheese, gluten-free as well. All right, from the start, I see this plant-based by Amy's vegan mac and cheese, and I think this here as well. This is just like quick food, frozen foods, but also really good. There's that. More options. We have a breakfast burrito, some more mac and cheese, buffalo wings, corn dogs. And I'm actually gonna take a bunch of these Sweet Earth meals because I want to taste test a bunch of them. So comment below if you want to see me taste test all of these here that they have. The pad thai. Look at that. This looks all so good. The empanadas, which I actually have a video on my YouTube channel already of me making vegan empanadas, but this is the crumble that I used, and it's really, really good. And then here's another one of those crispy tenders. We have this tofu scramble here, which I typically make my own tofu scramble, but that option is also there. Up here is my favorite section because they have all different types of meat replacements. These here, this brand particular, Gardein, I recommend you guys just taste test. Hold on. Taste test like everything. Oh, I've actually never had these. This is new. That's cool. They have like 3 different flavors of those chicken tenders, and then these little chicken sliders as well for your kids. If you guys, like to feed your kids chicken sandwiches. So I just want to add that dressings are not all vegan. So you have to look at the ingredients. I usually just stick with balsamic at restaurants and stuff like that because it's just balsamic. But sometimes they add egg. For some reason they add egg. This brand here is good. This brand here is also pretty good at making vegan dressings. So if you like these, you can get these. This bag of burritos. This bag of Doritos. I don't really like eat chips like that, but when I do, these are accidentally vegan. And they're slamming. These here are also vegan, and I didn't know. They were sitting in my house for so long, and there it is. Also really good. Also vegan. Different flavor here. So I was worried that I wouldn't find any vegan options, but they do have vegan options, and they're like pretty good brands. Kite Hill's really good, and they have quite a few flavors. Get close up on here. Almond milk. And here's another flavor. They also have So Delicious. There's that. Coconut milk based. And they have a few flavors here. They also have the Silk brand, which I know a lot of people get their almond milk, but I actually have never seen yogurt, so this is my first time. They have some more up here. That's pretty awesome. And then for those who like to buy like a bigger version of it, so you can add like granola or whatever you want to do, here's another option. It's big, it's like a tub. So I believe that the original Pillsbury biscuits are accidentally vegan. So if you look at the ingredients, it says, you know, there's nothing milk or egg based, but it says it contains milk ingredients. So sometimes what that means is like they have to put it on the label because it's made in the same facility that they process milk and eggs, so they have to let that be known under labels. But that doesn't necessarily mean that the product itself contains milk or egg. I will always just Google it and see what everyone else says and also what the company says before you go ahead and grab it. So we made it to the milk section and they have a lot of options. So it's soy-based. Ripple's a really, really good brand. So chocolate milk, rice milk is really, really good. I've never seen this. I guess this is their own brand. What is it? It's soy milk. So that's soy milk. Here we have some more. It just keeps going. So you pick. And there's a whole other fridge here too. This is the Walmart brand in case you wanted to go cheaper. Half of the time it's all made in the same facility anyway, but it is all up to you. This right here on hot chocolate or anything that you like to put whipped cream on, this is so flopping good. Like ridiculously good. All right, so for my coffee lovers, I think I just found 2 creamer options, which is Califia. It's pretty good as well. I don't typically get this brand. I actually don't put creamer at all in my coffee, but it's pretty good. I've tried it. I've also tried this one as well. So at this location, there are 2 options. This right here is interesting. Has anybody ever tried this? If you have, please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think because I've never seen this brand before, but here is an option. And since I'm coming to an end here and I just ended up in the bread section, this is actually the bread that I buy, either this one or just the smaller ones, which is this one, but I buy Dave's bread. Before I finish up here, these are also accidentally vegan. This flavor in particular. I am back, it's me, I'm back. I just finished the Vegan at Walmart video and I really hope that you guys liked it. I live in Florida, so I feel like if people live in New York or like LA or somewhere where veganism is a little bit more popular, there's probably more options in that location. But being that I don't live in a fully vegan friendly town, this is all that they have, but I think that's a good amount. It's pretty decent. And just know that there are options there, and stay tuned for my taste test because I did buy some of these. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try them once a day. I thought about doing it like all in one day, but I'm like, oh, that's a lot of food. I think like every day I'm gonna try one and then just compile them all together. But now I'm talking a little bit too much, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up, comment below, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys tried anything. If you want to see more of this, just say more of this down below. I want to hear what you guys have to say, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.